Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This session I am going to discuss about difference between function and task. So these two parameters are used for writing the Verilog HDL program. So while you are writing the program, you may call different functions or tasks inside the program. So first you understand the basic difference between function and task, then only you can proceed the program. So first I take it as a function and next one is a task. So the first difference is function can enable another function but not another task. So it only focus on the function. So function can execute only another function. They don't concentrate on another task. Now we move on to task. A task can enable another task and also function. So this task is concentrated to enable the another task and also other function. So it's a first difference. Then the second difference is based on the time taken. So function always execute in zero simulation time. So there is no time delay. But task may execute in non-zero simulation time. So it may take some time to finish the work. And third point, function must not contain any delay, even and time control statements. So these three parameters are not involved in functions. But task, so task may contain delay, then event or time control statement. So these three things are involved in task. The fourth difference is the function must have at least one input argument. So at least one input argument. They can have more than one input. But task, so task may have zero or more than one input arguments. So that type of argument is input, output or in and out. So task, the type of argument is input, output or in and out. But functions, the argument is only input values. Now we move on to the final difference between the function and task. The functions always return a single value. The functions always return a single value. So that cannot have output or in and out. So only they involve input argument only. So output and in and out they cannot have. In task do not return with a value but can pass multiple value through output and in and out argument. So these are the basic difference between function and task. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel.